Welcome class 6. Today we will learn HCF by division method. So here is a question which says find the HCF of 18 and 30 by division method. So if it's a division method, then we will do the division. We will take the bigger number and we'll divide it by the smaller number. So here 30 gets divided by 18. So 18 will divide 30 1 times. 18 into 1 is equal to 18. So 30 minus 18 gives us 12. Now this 12 is going to divide this 18 again out here. So when 18 is divided by 12, you'll get 12 times 1 is equal to 12. So 18 minus 12, when you subtract, you'll get 6. Now this 12 comes out here. Okay, so 6 will divide 12 now, and 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So the remainder now becomes 0. When the remainder comes out to be 0, when it cannot further divide, okay, the remainder comes out to be 0, then the quotient, the divisor which divides and brings out the remainder to be 0, that becomes the HCF. So over here, HCF of 18 and 30 is equal to 6. This 6 becomes the HCF. Alright. So similarly, another question, find the HCF of 24 and 32 by division method. So again, we'll take the bigger number and divide it by the smaller number. Here 32 is the bigger number. So we divide it by 24. 24 into 1 is equal to 24. So when you subtract 24 from 32, you'll get 8. Now this 24 from here comes out here, and then we'll divide 24 by 8 now. So when you divide, 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Then the remainder comes out to be as 0. So now this 8 will be the HCF. The HCF is that divisor which brings the remainder after division, brings the remainder equal to 0. So HCF of 24 and 32 is equal to 8. Similarly, if you have 3 numbers of which you have to find the HCF by division method, then we'll take any 2 numbers and find their HCF using the division method. So here I have selected 36, and then I'll divide this 36 by 24. So 24 will divide 36 1 times. 24 into 1 is equal to 24. 36 minus 24 gives us 12. Now this 12 will divide this 24 out here. So we'll bring this 24 down here and we'll divide 24 by 12. So 12 into 2 is equal to 24, and the remainder is equal to 0. This means that the HCF of 24 and 36 is the HCF is 12. So 24 and 36, the HCF is 12. We got the HCF of these 2 numbers. Now with this HCF, we'll divide the remaining number. So over here 16 is the remaining number out of the 2, out of these 2. This one is the left out. So 16 will divide 16 by this 12 HCF. Okay, so using this HCF 12 will divide 16. So 12 will divide 16 1 times. So 12 ones are 12. 16 minus 12 gives us 4. And now this 12 comes out here, down here, and that 12 gets divided by 4. So 4 will divide 12 3 times. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and the remainder is 0. So this means that the HCF of these 3 numbers is not this 12, but this number over here, which gives the final remainder as 0. So this 4 is the HCF for all these 3 given numbers. So HCF of 16, 24 and 36 is equal to 4.